In this lesson, we're going to be talking about direct variation. This is something you would have covered middle school or Algebra 1. And we're just going to talk about it again because it kind of relates to some other stuff we're going to do with some word problems. So we're kind of getting ready for some word problems we're going to do tomorrow. So direct variation, you'll notice as x increases, y increases, or as x decreases, y decreases. So the more gas you have in your car, the more miles you could drive. That'd be one way to look at it. The less you study, the less you do percent-wise on your test. Those would be two examples of direct variation. X and y always have the same movement though. So here's the equation for direct variation. It's y equals kx. You could think of it k as the slope. It's annoying that they changed the variable on you, but that's just how it works out. And you can hopefully tell this is a linear function then. So y equals kx is a linear function. It would graph a straight line, where k is our slope. So to do a couple problems to apply that, it's going to say y varies directly as x. And when it says that, that's telling you y equals kx. That's how they word it. So if they switch up the variables on you, you know the first one is always the one that equals, and then the k, and then the last one's the x. So, and y equals 12 when x equals negative 3. They're giving you those values so you can find k. So y equals 12 when x equals negative 3. To find k, I would divide by negative 3. So I've just found k to be negative 4. So for this situation, our equation would be y equals negative 4x. That's what we're working with. So then when they say find y when x equals 16, I would substitute 16 in for x, and I find y to be negative 64. So there is me solving a direct variation equation. The last one we're going to do, I'm going to have you guys try then. So pause the video, go ahead and try this one, and then you can unpause it. So in this case, they give me negative 15 when x is 5. So I divide by 5. So hopefully you see that you would get k to be negative 3. So your equation for this situation would be y equals negative 3x. They told me x is 3, so I substitute that in, and I get y to be negative 9. If you have any questions, make sure you let me know.